Hi friends, welcome to Kalpana's kitchen. Today I'll be sharing a vegetarian recipe with you, and that is drumstick leaves bhaji. Now I have a drumstick tree at home. I plan to transfer it to my ground floor garden, but there's some work going on there. So you look at how it has grown in some 2-3 months. So let's see how to. I've not used these leaves, by the way. The tree is still very young, so I have purchased from the market. Okay, see how the tree is swaying. Haha. So here are the drumstick leaves, and they're very easy to clean. You just pull apart the leaves. Do not take the stems because they don't cook. Here you can see the leaves, all tender leaves. Fine. Now these tender leaves, I'll put them in water and wash them thoroughly. Here I've taken one onion, I've chopped it fine, green chilli and cumin seeds. In a vessel I've taken 2 tablespoon oil. In that I will add half teaspoon hing. Hing is saffrita. After that I will add the green chilies, then 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, that is jeera, and now I will add the onion. Fine. I will just stir the onions and fry them a bit. Okay, you don't have to brown them or anything, just a little bit. And then I will start adding the drumstick leaves. Yes, see, only leaves are taken. And our regular dry masalas with half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon dhana jeera powder. Salt to taste, 1 teaspoon here again. And now I will just close the lid. But see, I have not added any water on the lid, okay? I let it cook on slow flame. And yes, the bhaji is already ready. Now I will add something interesting. Yeah, it is 3/4 cup of besan, that is chickpea flour. This gives good taste to the bhaji. And as we are not, this is not a regular bhaji like palak and other leaves, methi leaves. Some may not like it, but it was very tasty, this bhaji. So here now I have added the besan. The leaves are cooked, you have seen. So I will just steam it again for some 5 minutes. Okay, till the besan cooks. I'll again cover this and let it cook for 5 more minutes. This is good to be eaten with bhakri, chapati, rice and dal, and it is very, very nutritious bhaji. Do try this healthy bhaji and give me your feedback. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Bye friends, take care.